Apps like Mistplay don't actually pay you for playing games in general. They pay you for installing specific partnered games and reaching milestones inside those games, which is why the earnings vary so much between apps and users. By the end of this, you'll know 7 apps similar to Mistplay that reward you for playing mobile games, how each one actually pays, and which ones are worth your time if you're trying to earn real rewards. Start with how these apps work. All of these platforms follow the same basic system. You install a game through the app, play it for a set amount of time, or reach certain in-game goals. Then, earn points that convert into gift cards or cash depending on the platform. The key difference is not the idea. It's the reward system, payout options, and how strict they are about tracking gameplay. First up is Mistplay-style apps that focus on game catalogs. Apps like reward-based game platforms similar to Mistplay let you browse a list of sponsored games. You earn by playing longer sessions and leveling up inside those games. The downside is that rewards slow down the longer you stick with one game. Second category is offer-based gaming apps. Some platforms combine game rewards with offer walls, meaning you can earn by downloading games and completing short in-game tasks. These usually feel faster at the start, but require more active goal completion instead of passive play. Third category is newer gaming reward apps. These apps often rotate featured games more frequently, which means better short-term earning opportunities, but less consistency over time. Once a game rotates out, earnings from it usually stop completely. Now here's what actually matters when choosing one. The biggest factor is not the number of games. It's how often new high-reward games appear in your region. If the app doesn't refresh its game list often, your earning potential drops quickly after the first few installs. Another factor is payout flexibility. Some apps only offer gift cards, while others give more redemption options, which affects how useful your rewards actually feel in real life. So instead of chasing every app, the smarter approach is testing one or two at a time, and seeing which one consistently gives you new game offers in your area. Summary: apps like Mistplay reward you for playing sponsored mobile games with milestone-based tracking. Earnings depend on game availability and offer rotation. Not all apps refresh opportunities equally. Next step: install one alternative app and compare its first 3 game offers to Mistplay to see which gives better earning opportunities in your region. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or fake promises.